Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I love decorating my home with inexpensive items, and I also love recreating higher end pieces for a whole lot less. I even share entire room transformations. However, for this video, I am going to do a really fun DIY that's going to last you the entire holiday season. And it all started with this trip to Dollar Tree. Okay, so while I was there, I picked up 4 of these thankful signs. First off, I removed their packaging, and I was kind of grateful because this actually protects them while they're at the store. Then I placed them side by side to make sure that the buffalo check pattern on the sides lined up. Next, I wanted to combine all 4 pieces together, so I used some E6000, as well as some hot glue dots in order to hold them while the E6000 dried. I also flipped them over and added clips on the back to hold the pieces together. And I made sure to always check my patterns to make sure that they were lining up. Next, I took my Delta white acrylic paint and gave the top several coats of white. I think I ended up doing 3 coats total. I made sure not to get any paint on the buffalo check pattern on the sides. Next, I needed some little feet for this tray, and I found these in the garden and floral section. I actually got this idea from another YouTuber, and I will link her video below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. She used these as feet for a totally different kind of tray, and once I found these in one of my Dollar Trees, I knew I had to save them for a special occasion. And as you can see here, I'm just removing the little flowers and the bows. Next, I wanted to paint them white just like the top of the tray, so I took my Delta white paint again and gave the little legs 2 coats. Okay, so after they were dry, it was time to install these underneath the tray. However, as you can see with the little corner braces, there wasn't enough to support it. So I used some of the tumbling blocks that you can find in Dollar Tree's toy sections to create a little bit more of an anchor for them. I use hot glue and I put them on the outside of the wall right here at the same height as that little corner brace. Now, unfortunately, you will find that not all the braces are going to be the same level inside of that frame. So I had to find something else, like a popsicle stick, to add height to that one to bring it up to the level as the other side. I made sure to use a little foot to check that it was level and sturdy before hot gluing it on to that side. Now once it was set, it was time to install the little feet, and I made sure to put the love on the inside of the tray, that way you wouldn't see it from the outside. Then I repeated this step for the remaining 3 corners. And that is pretty much it to this DIY. Now I have a little dilemma though, I will say. It looks perfect just the way it is, right? But then I thought, what if I add those cute little handles that I use on my box in my previous video, that trash to treasure box, remember? And I'm like, what if I add those to the top? So let me know what you think. Do you like it with the handles, or should I leave them without? Because I don't know if they're too big for the tray. Let me know in the comments below. Now either way, isn't this tray so adorable? The planks on the top look like shiplap. Then there's that cute little buffalo check that you don't even have to create. And those legs, aren't they adorable? Oh my god, I'm like going crazy over this thing. And of course, it goes perfect with fall decors, neutrals, oranges, all those pretty fall colors, as well as those beautiful traditional colors from Christmas. So you can use this literally for the rest of this year and style it in so many ways. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to get more DIYs like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.